Empower your team with empowered software for Spectra Optia. Manual data entry is time-consuming and prone to errors. Empowered automates the process, working seamlessly with Spectra Optia to capture, transform, and transfer data automatically. That means no more paperwork, just accurate, complete data. Empowered helps your team save time, reduce errors, improve data access, enhance data integrity, and stay audit-ready. How? Empowered allows you to scan IDs and supplies to automate documentation. All while patient and procedural data are securely captured, updated, and stored, accessible when and where you need it. And you stay audit-ready with enhanced traceability and built-in compliance support. It all works together to give your team more time to focus on patient care. If you're ready to learn more about how Empowered automates data entry to save time, reduce the risk of error, improve data accessibility, and enable compliance, let's talk.